Christina Crane the Heart, and today I have a project share. We're going to make a card today, and I have an announcement. So the announcement is that I am going to be a member of the Not Too Shabby shop design team. So they just made the announcement on the Not Too Shabby shop site on their YouTube channel, and it's really, really exciting. I'm very excited. I've been a long time customer of Jamie's, and I've been around as she's developed her own products. And so I'm really, really excited. So it's a 6-month term, and I'm just going to be making what I always make for my channel and for her channel as well. So I have the box. I think this is this month's box. Geez, things are running together because I'm making this video on Christmas Eve, and it's been insane because I really didn't have a lot of time to get ready for Christmas because, and not to say I'm complaining because I actually like this schedule, but I work at a school, and school ended on Thursday. So basically I had Friday off, and then Saturday's Christmas Eve, and it's just like bam, bam. So it's great because I feel like I have more relaxation time after the holidays because the holidays are so quick. But it didn't give me a lot of time, so I felt a little rushed. And I really didn't get to make as many things as I normally like to make, but I am really excited about sharing the projects I have for you guys today. So I am using this stamp set from Not Too Shabby shop called the Cozy Forest Friends, which is adorable. I absolutely love it. Really cute to color. And I think it's this month's, December's box. And it's adorable. So let's go ahead and show you some of the other things that I'm using for this. One of them is this card right here, which I am using this, God, what is it called? This is from Tailored Expressions, and it basically does a shutter card. And so you can make a shutter card without this die set either. And so in a future video, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. But for now, I'm just going to do a share, and then I'm going to make a card. So the first card I have to share with you is a mini slim card, and it's just a simple mini slim card, and I colored using Copics, and I used a Not Too Shabby shop paper pad. This paper pad is, I've been really using it. It's like, let's see what it's called. It's called Snow Critters, and it's adorable. I think it would make really cute baby cards too. It's just the colors are very very pretty pastel. So Snow Critters is the paper that I used, and I put it on foam. I used actually a Tailored Expressions mini slim die that cuts these 3 squares out, and then I just put the paper on foam, and I stamped Let's Chill in the center. I colored in my Copic with Copics my little beaver, my little fox, and then I just kind of tucked them in a little bit and out, so they're kind of peeking out of these boxes. And so I like how that came out. And then this one right here is that shutter card. So I did a belly band, and I used a scalloped circle die that I just placed on my belly band, and I paper pieced the tree. So paper piecing is very easy. So I just stamped it on white cardstock, and then I stamped it again using the green paper from the paper collection, and then I just trimmed it out and glued it on top. And then you've got this paper piece tree, and so it just goes like this. And when you open it, it's like reveals the sentiment. No winter is too cold when you have enough love. And that is from this stamp set right here. So, and it just slides in like this. Very simple and easy. So the card today that we're going to make is a slimline card. So what I did was I used 2 pieces of the paper from the paper pack to kind of give me my my scene. So because this has trees, even though it's blue, I made it sort of my my bottom of my card, and the top is this pretty pink with the snowflakes. And then what I did was the sentiment is wake me when winter's over, and I stamped it in green. But you can stamp it in whatever you'd like. It's just because the trees were in green, I thought it would be a good idea to do it in green. And then it's going to fit kind of like this. Okay, so I've got my Barely Art Precision Glue. And I'm really liking this this glue. I've got another bottle of it that I'm going to put the what do you call it, the tip on there that's not as fine. This is the really fine tip, because sometimes you need not a fine tip. So I'm going to go ahead and do that when I get a chance. I just haven't had a chance. So it's going to go like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and fit this piece here at the bottom like that to create my scene. And I really am enjoying this paper a lot. So here we go. It's going to go down like this. So make sure that you visit the Not Too Shabby shop and the YouTube channel. You can see all the other people who are going to be on the design team. Okay, so now I've got a couple of things. I think this one's like that. I think this is what I'm doing here. So I used a die that I have. I've got one from CC Designs, one from My Favorite Things, one from Lawn Fawn. I think I used the Lawn Fawn one. And basically it just is one of those sort of squiggle line dies that you can use for snow drifts or grass or whatever you want to do. This one happens to have stitching, which I really like. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of figure out, this is going to kind of go like this. So we're going to go ahead and put some glue on here. And so I basically am covering that kind of seam right there with a snow drift, which is kind of a good way of doing that. All right, so we got that. Let's make sure it's going to cover that. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and do this one. So a slimline card is 3.5 by 6. So it's a really, really nice size. Gives you just a tiny bit more real estate in some ways, because you get a little bit more length. It's just narrower. Okay, so like that. And then we have our little pieces, which are going to fit kind of like this. And then this one's going to fit like that. So we're going to go ahead and put their 2 trees. So I did 2 trees where I paper pieced the tree. And we'll do one like tucked in like that. And okay. And then this tree, we're going to kind of tuck it in like that. And then we've got our little, I think it's like a reindeer. So this is nice because this is not necessarily a holiday card. This is just winter. So this could be birthday, or it could be a thank you card. So generally what I do is I do make quite a few cards for winter, and then my kids use them as thank you cards. And the problem is that, like, it's so funny making this winter card because today it's 78 degrees. It's Christmas Eve, 78 degrees, and tomorrow it's going to be 83 on Christmas Day. It's going to be 83 degrees on Christmas Day. So it's insane. While the rest of the Midwest is like freezing Texas is like 20 degrees or something. Nevada's cold. Denver's cold. And then in Southern California, it is just crazy. It's beach weather. My sister and I, when we were in high school, when we'd have these hot Christmases, we actually would go to the beach on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. We'd go to the beach after we opened presents, or before Christmas Eve dinner, we would go to the beach and get a tan. Okay, so I just did a little bit of stickles because I feel like snowdrifts need to be glistening. So I just did a little bit of that, and I'll give it a chance to dry. And I think that it'll give this really pretty kind of glistening kind of look. And I might do some little gems on it. We'll see how it looks. I do like my winter cards. I like to make them look sparkly, like it's the sun hitting the snow, giving that sparkle look. And so here are the 3 cards that I made. I'm really excited about being on the Not Too Shabby Shop design team. So I hope that you guys get a chance to go over to Jamie's YouTube channel and watch the video introducing all the new members and returning members of the design team. And go ahead and subscribe to everybody too, because they're going to have all kinds of really amazing content. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas, and talk to you later.